Alright, so here we have AR61E. Servos are inside, mounted using hot glue, and they are coming all the way just here. That's it. That's only where you see the push rod. On this side as well. Alright. Okay. This is 1000 milliamp battery, 3 cell, and the ESC is deep inside. I don't know if it will get hot. So far it's not. Okay, and this is your motor. Should be capable enough to lift this thing. You can see the servo for ailerons are also covered with tape. Everything is neatly done, probably. Only thing left is a fake engine mount and a couple of decals for the wing, like those numbers N1, 2, 3, whatever. Right, so I'll probably give it a test flight tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Bye now.